Please note, exemptions and non-liable payments may influence the amount of wages subject to payroll tax. For the purposes of this video, reference to wages or wages paid refers to those that are subject to payroll tax, excluding any exempt wages or non-liable payments. In this payroll tax video, a reference to jurisdiction means a state or territory of Australia.
Hi, my name's Darryl. In this video we will outline when employers must lodge returns to advise their monthly payroll tax liability. Your payroll tax return is due on a monthly basis, with an annual reconciliation due in July each year. There are some exceptions where your relevant revenue office may approve annual or quarterly returns. However, in most cases, returns are required to be lodged monthly. Employers are encouraged to complete their monthly return through the online lodgement facility, and many jurisdictions will only accept online lodgements. If for some reason you are unable to lodge returns online, you must contact your relevant state revenue office to discuss alternative options. An employer must provide details of the wages paid during the return period, that is the previous month, and pay payroll tax on the amount of wages declared. Monthly returns are due on the 7th day of the month immediately following the return period. For example, the return for August is due by the 7th of September. If the due date falls on the weekend or a public holiday, returns will be accepted on the next business day. Some jurisdictions may extend the due date for the December return from the 7th of January to the 14th or 21st. Relevant jurisdictions will advise employers if an extension to the due date has been granted. If taxable wages fall below the monthly deduction entitlement and no payroll tax is due, you will still be required to lodge a nil return. Unless alternative lodgement arrangements have been made with the relevant state revenue office, monthly returns must be lodged to avoid a default assessment being issued. There is one exception, the June return, as the wage details are collected in the annual reconciliation. Employers in the Northern Territory are required to lodge both a June return and an annual reconciliation return. To recap, unless other arrangements have been made, employers are required to lodge a monthly return on the 7th of the month immediately following the return period. Hopefully you've found this payroll tax video useful. To view other videos available in the Harmonised Payroll Tax series, visit payrolltax.gov.au. It is our aim to give you as much information as necessary to assist you in meeting your payroll tax obligations. Remember, if you are in doubt, always contact your tax advisor or nearest revenue office.